Bam, welcome back. Another problem for you, this time multiplying two rational expressions. You can see this little miniature one. Whoop, not so, oh geez, what have I done? Can I undo that? Yes, that, problem number two, I'm going to change it up a bit here, see if I can do it on the fly. I think what I want is an x squared, yep, plus 5x, and then ends up being minus 6. Is that what I'm doing? Yeah. And then 3x squared plus 6x. Pretty sure that's what I want to do. And then x squared plus 6x plus 9 goes over here. And lastly, it's an x squared minus 5x. Oh, nope. Let's do 6x, I guess. Plus 5. I think I'm screwing this up somewhere. What does this have? Nope, I think that's right. So let me just clean up this guy. I better get moving. I only have 5 minutes on these videos, right? Okay. What was that? 6? Oh, jeez. Let's go. Now all heck is broken loose. Minus 6x. All right, and these are being multiplied. And you're like, holy Macanelli. You mean I have to double and triple distribute and do all those multiplication rainbows and this times this 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 and this times this, not to mention the numerators need to be multiplied? No, you don't have to do that. Instead, you factor them and simplify. That is the way. What does x squared plus 5x minus 6 factor to? X, well, multiplying to negative 6. Well, how about negative 6 and, no, positive 6 and negative 1. There we go. Then they'll add up to 5x in the middle when you combine like terms from the two middle rainbows. The numerator there is an easy one. It's a square. It's x plus 3 squared. Multiply the 9, add up to 6. Great. What can we factor out here? A 3 and an x. What's left? Just an x and a 2. Okay, so I did screw up. Oh well, I mean, the example is not going to be perfect. Still the same. I mean, all these steps are the same, just my canceling is not going to be as cute. I think I planned these things out by now. I think it's a negative 1 and a negative 5. Yeah, that's the only way you can multiply to 5, but add up to negative 6, is if it's negative 1 and negative 5. Okay. Time for canceling. The best part, some people say. I would never say that, actually. Yes, I do say that. This is fun. Here we go. That's gone. And that's it. Shoot. There's really supposed to be more of that fun. Now, there are problems that we'll get to next week, I think, maybe this week, where they want you to multiply out the top. So that is a lot of rainbows that you would still do. Oh, no, that's reasonable. It's only 4 rainbows and then distributing and then 3x into the trinomial. So maybe we'll practice that real quick. It would be 3x times the trinomial would be x squared plus 8x plus 12. That's what you get from these rainbows. And the bottom, now you can leave the bottom factored. You leave the bottom factored for this math book. Like that. And then we need to distribute that in 3x cubed plus 24x squared plus 36x. 6 seconds left. Don't like, don't subscribe.